guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So I'm Ananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very easy greeting card which you just now saw. So the materials needed are, first we need only black strips. I was having a packet so I didn't open it. We don't need the white one, we need black quilling strips, not for quilling. Then we need a fevicol. Then I drew some small paper roses which are realistic and I just shaded them. So we need 3 of them. The diameter I took off 2.5 centimeter. Then I have cut some green leaves. Then an A4 size sheet, white color, a black sketch pen, a heart punch, a scissor, and I have cut some beautiful hearts on pattern papers. So that. Then I have painted this handmade sheet. I needed this, so I cut a small part of it. You need a small part only, and a pencil and a scale. So let's start. First, what we will do is we will take this sheet and we will fold it into half. And here it will be like this. Now I will take my quilling strips. Black quilling strips I'll take out. First I'll remove the tape from it. So first I'm taking only one quilling strip and we have to put stripes like this on the whole paper. So with the help of a pencil I'll mark it. You can take as thick strips or as thin strips you want. So I've taken it here and I'll cut this. And I'll stick the glue. You have to stick them at equal distances. Like I've stuck this one. And now I'll be sticking next. You guys won't be able to see the glue marks. At these distances, you have to stick it on the whole paper. Like this I'm sticking it. Guys, this way I have sticked it on the whole paper and it looks very pretty, striped, and it doesn't even look that we have sticked it, it's so neat. So like this you have to do. Now the next step, I have taken these 3 roses and we'll be arranging them like this here. Now I'll be sticking them. On the first line, I'll stick the first rose and I'll take 2 leaves. Here, apply some glue and insert it here. Then take the second leaf also and insert it inside. Like this, I'll stick the second rose also here and the third rose here. We'll take the 2 leaves, push it inside here, slanting position, again here, then the third rose also. I've shaded them in a dark to light variant. This way, and now I'll insert the last 2 leaves also. suggest you to put leaves below. Put leaves before then putting the rose, so it will give you better results. So this way I've sticked all of these, and now I'll take the handmade sheet, and I don't think we need the handmade sheet, so I'll do that before it. Guys, now I decided that I'll take the handmade sheet. So I'm measuring it. It's coming 6 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. So I'll draw the box and cut this out. Seriously, I'm too funny. Now I'll paste it. First of all, I'll write Happy New Year on it. And now I'll stick it. Ouch! So this way I've sticked the Happy New Year, and the heart which we've cutted, I've pasted one of it here. So our Happy New Year greeting card is ready, and I hope you guys like this video. So like, subscribe and share, and do comment how was the video. Bye guys, meet you in my next video.